Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to lock cell in Google Sheets. Friends, in your Google Sheet, if you want to protect some cells, then you simply need to lock that cells so that no one will accidentally do changes to these cells. So for example, I want to lock these cells which have formulas. So I will simply select all these cells, and after selecting the cells, I will click on data, and here I will click on protect sheets and range. Now it has taken the range automatically as we have selected the cells. So I will click on set permissions. Now here by default it has selected restrict who can edit this range, and only you is selected by default. So you need to click on done to lock these cells. Now these cells are locked and no one can do changes to these selected cells except you. And anytime if you want to unlock these cells, then you simply need to delete setting by clicking on the delete button. Now these cells are unlocked. So likewise, if you want to lock the complete sheet except some cells, then you simply need to click on the data and here click on protect sheets and range. Here you need to click on sheet and select except certain cells. So here you need to select data range. So I am selecting all the cells which I don't want to lock. So I have given the range. Now press on OK. Now it will lock the complete sheet except these cells. Now click on set permission. Here you need to click on done. Now this complete sheet is locked and only these selected cells can be edited. So friends, like this you can very easily lock cell in Google Sheets. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.